syempre yung object natin. Okay? Ito yung object. Ayan. So, mamamagnify yung object natin. Okay? Ngayon, ang gusto natin, how far from the lens must be the diamond held. Okay? So, yung how far na to, so this is the distance of what? Okay? The distance of the diamond or of the object from the lens. Or yung hinahanap natin dito, DO. Okay? Object yung sinasabi. So, how about naman tong 25 centimeters natin dito, sir? Okay, yan yung image. Okay? Yan yung ating DI. Okay? So, now, yung focal length natin, that is 8 centimeters. So, that is F. Okay? F, ito. Ayan. So, by your thin lens equation, okay? So, that is 1 over F is equal to 1 all over DO plus DI. 1 all over DI. Pero take note lang, okay? So, itong mga to is sign sensitive, okay? So, sign sensitive saan, sir? Okay? Take note lang po yung ating magnifier, okay? So, since this is a magnifier, positive yung ating focal. Okay, focal length. Okay, magnifier kasi. Convex lens. Okay? Pero take note po, yung ating DO or NDI, nakabase yan kung saan yung light. Okay? Nasaan yung light. So, saan ba natin tinututok yung object natin? Okay? Sa light. Okay? Para makita natin, para ma-observe natin yung body. So, ito siya. Ito yung light, ito yung object, ito tayo. Okay? Ito yung lens. Ayan. So, therefore, okay, ganito po kapag, yung mga sign conventions natin, no? So, DO is positive kapag nasa front, okay? Nasa front ng light. Okay, magkatabi ang liwanag at saka yung ating object, okay? So, positive yung ating DO, okay? Then, kapag DI naman po, positive yan if this is in the back of the light, okay? So, kapag positive yan, back of the light, negative naman po kapag front of the light. Okay, magbabaliktaran sila. Okay? So, malamang sa malamang, wala dito yung object natin or yung na-produce nating image. Okay, saan pa rin yan, sir? Okay, yung mapoproduce natin kasi ditong image is nandito. Okay? Sir, bakit nandito? Di ba ima-magnify natin yung natin, yung object natin. Okay, lalaki siya, di ba? So, therefore, yung maproproject nating image is nandun mismo sa may portion ng light. Okay? Kaya negative yan. So, therefore, yung ating 25 dito, that's negative. Okay? So, therefore, that is 1 all over F. Okay? That is 8 cm is equal to 1 all over DO. So, unknown yan. Plus 1 all over DI. Take note po, magkatabi yung light or nasa harapan yung ating object and yung ating image. Okay? Image natin dun sa light. Okay? Magkakatabi sila. Okay? So, that is negative. So, what's your DO now equal to? So, kapag sinabing front of light, magkakatabi sila. Okay? Nasa side sila lahat ng light. Okay? Okay, so this is 6.06. So, tama nga naman kasi positive pa rin naman yung DO. Letter C. Okay, so when we say O, this is your object, okay? Kapag I image. Magkakatabi itong mga to. Okay, next tayo. Pakipicturean na. Next. So, outlets in the other sections of the dwelling unit for special appliances such as laundry equipment shall be placed blank mm of the intended location of the appliance. So, this is letter D. 1,800. Okay. Next tayo. Number 16. 1 kilobyte is how many bytes? Take note po, in 1 kilobyte, that is 2 raised to 10 bytes. So, ilan ito? 2 raised to 10. So, this is 10, 24 bytes. Letter, okay, letter B. Okay, next tayo. A manufacturing company buys a machine for 500,000 pesos. Okay, ito yung brand new price niya. So, that's your CO. 500K. So, now, it estimates the machine useful life, that is 20 years. So, yung L natin dito, 20. And it can be sold for 50,000 pesos. Okay, after its useful life. So, CL natin, salvage value, 50,000. Using SLM, okay, so straight line method, what is the annual depreciation charge? Okay, when we say annual depreciation charge, that's small letter D. Hindi naman sinabing total. Kapag total, capital T, annual, small letter D. Okay, yan yung tinatanong. And kapag SLM, we will use here your mode 3, 2. Okay, mode 3 to tayo. So, by your calculator. Okay, so yung X natin, this is the time. Then yung Y natin, this is your book value at N. Okay, at N tier. So, ang kailangan natin ditong data, dalawa data. Okay, nung brand new natin binili, pwede natin maggamit yan dito. Okay, at time t equal to 0. Okay, hindi pa natin siya ginagamit. 500,000. Then, magagamit rin natin yung salvage value or yung useful life natin. So, that is 20. Ano po ang book value natin? That is 50,000. Okay? So, pwede na tayong kumuha ng mga regressional data dito, yung mga y-hat natin. Okay? Take note po, when we say D, small letter D, that is the difference between the two adjacent book values. Okay? So, that is, so sabihin na lang natin, 1 y-hat minus 2 y-hat. Okay? Yung magkasunod na book value. Okay? This is BB1 minus BB2. Okay? So, sige, mode 2, mode 3 to tayo. So, 0, 20, then dito sa kabila, 500K. Dito sa susunod, 50K. Okay? Press AC. So, ano natin yung 1y hat. Minus natin yan sa 2y hat. Kukunin natin yung annual depreciation charge, that is 22,500. So, this is letter B. And kapag SLM, pare-parehas yan. Every year. Constant yung ating annual depreciation charge. Excuse me. So, let's have number 18. Yan. FTTH means this is fiber to the home. Letters next tayo. Number 19. Ayan. An ice with mass of 0.9 kilogram is free floating in water. Okay? Meron lang nakalubog dyan na ice. Ayan. So, ngayon, mass niya is 0.9 kilogram. Now, find the buoyant force experienced by the ice. Okay? So, find the buoyant force experienced by the ice. So, ano po ba ang buoyant force? So, this is equal to yung ating specific weight ng fluid natin. Take note, this is water. And multiplied by yung ating volume submerged. Okay? So, yung V. So, therefore, this is now equal to 9,810 newtons per cubic meter multiplied by volume. But take note po, wala tayong volume dito. Okay? So, saan natin yun kukunin? Dun sa mass. And dun sa ating density ng ice. Okay? So, i-assume na lang natin yung ating density ng ice. So, that is equal to 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. Okay? So, convert na lang natin yung ating density or yung ating mass into volume by means of density. Relate lang natin sila. Gusto natin lumabas? Volume. Okay, anong gagawin natin sa density? Baliktarin. So, that is 1 cubic meter, 1,000 kilograms. So, multiplied by yung mass ng ating ice. Okay? So, that is 0.9 kilograms. Okay? So, ano mga magka-cancel? Kilogram, kilogram, cubic meter, tapos cubic meter. So, therefore, this is now equal to 8.829 newtons. So, this is letter B. So, unit analysis lang. Okay? Next tayo. Itong number 20 nasa problem set nyo to. So, an ideal gas is contained in a vessel of unknown volume at a pressure of 1 atmosphere. So, meron daw tayong container. Okay, this is unknown. Okay, so let's call this as V1 na lang. And yung pressure natin dito is 1 atmosphere. Now, the gas is released and allowed to expand into a previously evacuated vessel whose volume is 0.5 liters. So, kumbaga itong previous container natin, maglalagay lang tayo ng additional na 0.5 liters na volume. Okay, so ito siya, dadagdagan lang natin ng 0.5 liters. Okay, so 0.5 ito, then ito, V1. Okay, pero take note po, kapag nagbago yung volume natin, magbabago rin yung pressure nito. Okay, so once equilibrium has been reached, the temperature has or remained the same while the pressure is recorded as, okay, yung P2 natin, 500 mm mercury. Okay. Now, what is the unknown volume V of the first vessel in liters? Yung V1 yung hinahanap. Okay. So, take note po, temperature remains the same. So, therefore, we will use your Boyle's law. Okay. So, T is equal to C. Okay. So, therefore, Boyle's law lang is P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Okay. So, hindi po compatible yung pressure natin. So, i-convert na lang natin yung 1 atmosphere into mmHg, which is equal to 760 mmHg. Ayan na lang. So, therefore, this is now 760 mmHg multiplied by V1 is equal to P2, 500 mmHg multiplied by yung ating volume na V1 plus 0.5 liters. Okay? So, kakancel yung ating mmHg. So, matitirang unit volume. So, what's now your V1 equal to? Mode 1 tayo. Ayan, alpha x times 760 is equal to 500. So, therefore, this is 0.962. liters. And that's letter D. Okay, next tayo. Number 21. A truck accelerates from rest. Take note po, from rest, meaning VO is equal to 0. And yung ating final velocity is 120 kilometers per hour. And this is after 2 seconds. Find the average acceleration in meters per second squared. So, hanapin natin yung A. So, therefore, this is VF now is equal to VO plus AT. Okay? So, ano pa ang VF natin? So, VF is 120 km per hour. Convert na lang natin yan sa meters per second. So, that is in 1 kilometer, 1,000 meter multiplied by in 1 hour, this is 3,600 seconds. Okay? So, this is now equal to what? This is equal to 0 at rest kasi. So, plus yung ating A, then multiplied by 2 seconds. Okay? So, ano mga magka-cancel? Kilometer, kilometer, R at saka R. Okay, ang mangyayari dito, magsasama yung second at saka seconds dito sa baba. Okay, so forming acceleration meters per second squared. And this is equal to 16.667. Letter A. Next, number 22. The measure of randomness or disorder is known as the entropy. Okay? So, when we say disorder or yung pagkakagulo-gulo ng mga molecules natin, entropy yun. Okay? Pero, if entropy is 0, so that is on the absolute 0. Okay? So, wala nang gagalaw ng mga molecules ng ating Kelvin scale. Okay? So, next tayo, number 23. Ayan. In flowchart, what is the symbol used in beginning or termination? So, this is oval. Letter A. A beginning or termination. Oval yan. Start and end. Okay? Start at saka end. Oval. Next, number 24. A blank is an act of sending emails or creating web pages that are designed to collect individuals' online bank, credit card, or other login information. Okay, yung mga website na nangunguha ng information. Okay, akala mo Facebook yung pinaglalaginan mo, yun pala, ibang website pala yun. Okay? So, this is phishing. Okay? Maraming naloloko dito. Letter D. Phishing. Okay, next. Letter, number 25. Okay? A software that is commonly known as firmware. So, this is BIOS. Okay. Next, 26. Which of the following may be the Poisson's ratio of a material? Take note po, yung ating Poisson's ratio is ranging from, okay? So, yung mu natin is between 0.1 to 0.45, okay? Kapag from 0.1 to 0.25, low yung ating Poisson's ratio or yung mu. Then, kapag naman po 0.35, going to 0.45, so meaning this is high. Okay? High yung ating, so syempre yung gitna nito, yung between 0.25 to 0.35. This is mid, okay? Mid-range, okay? So therefore, this is letter, okay, letter D. So ang pasok lang naman dito, ito. Okay? So greater than 0.45 na yung iba. Okay, next. Number 27. How many moles are there in 21.58 grams of chloroform or CHCl3? Okay? When we say moles, okay? So this is the quantity, okay? So ano lang ba ang unit na magre-relate sa atin sa mass at saka mole? Ito yung molecular weight, okay? So that is now what? Okay, molecular weight is equal to mass all over number of moles or yung N natin. Okay? Now, kunin natin yung N, so that is equal to the mass over its molecular weight. Okay? So, ano yung mass natin? 21.58 grams of that compound, which is CHCl3, all over yung ating molecular weight ng compound. Okay? So, that is what? Okay, 1 unit of carbon, so 1 times 12, okay, plus yung ating Cl. Okay, Cl is 35. So 35 times ilang units? So 3. Okay, so this is gram per mole. So ano mga magka-cancel? Gram at saka gram, aakyat si mole. So therefore this is now nearest to 18.444. 0.18444 mole. Okay, letter B. Next tayo. Number 28. So what is the entropy of a pure substance at the temperature of absolute zero? Okay, so that is 0. Okay, walang disorder. Sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, kapag entropy 0, okay, wala na pong nagmumove na molecules under absolute zero temperature or 0 Kelvin. Okay, 0 degree Kelvin. Okay. So, next tayo, number 29. So, which of the following is the basic equation of accounting? Okay, so, ito, ano na to sa inyo, basic na to. Okay, kasi nabasa nyo na. So, this is letter A. ALU. Okay, ALU lang to, no? So, which is assets is equal to liability plus owner's equity. ALU. Next, number 30. Ayan. A 4-wire system has a high leg voltage that is indicated by a wire of color blank. Okay? When we say high leg voltage, so this is under a white leg. Okay? So, this is color orange. Okay, this is under your 3-phase 4-wire delta system. Okay. Next, number 31. Pulverized fuel is used for blank. Letter A, better burning. Okay. Next, number 32. Find the present worth of 5 years annuity paying 3,000 pesos at the end of each year. So, yung N natin dito equal to 5 years. And yung ating annuity per year is equal to 3,000. Okay, so with interest I equal to 6% compounded annually. Okay, naka-annual na tayo dito. Wala tayong problema. So, ang hahanapin natin, present worth. Okay, kumbaga ito, mga annuity na to, i-project natin to papunta sa present. Okay, so therefore, P is equal to annuity times summation of 1 plus I raised to negative X. So therefore, P now is equal to, yung annuity per year natin, 3,000 times the summation of, okay, 1 plus 6% or 1.06 na lang, raised to negative X from, okay, take note po, so from the end of the year or end of the period, so that is 1 to 5. So that is 1 going to 5. So that is P now is equal to so 12,637.09. This is letter B. Okay. Next tayo, number 33. Aside 2 inches of a square is loaded in tension by a force of 12 kips. Okay, wala yung E dyan. So, determine the normal stress in KSI in the square bar. So, we determine your normal stress as your sigma. So, sigma is equal to the force over area. Okay? So, ano po ba ang force na in-apply natin dito? 12 kips or kilopounds. So, 12 kilopounds or kips divided by the area. Take note po, area natin is a square bar. Okay? Square bar. So, therefore, A now here is equal to S squared. Okay? So, that is 2 inches, the quantity squared. So, this is now equal to what? Okay? 3. Okay? 3 kips per inch squared. Okay? Ano po ba ang per inch squared? So, this is only just KSI. Okay? KSI. Letter D. Next, vinegar is a solution of H2O and what acid? This is acetic acid. Next, applicants for registered electrical engineer examination must be at least 21 years of age. Take note po kapag REE, kailangan at least 21. Okay?